Hey Crypto Crew! Welcome back to NFTopia, your go-to spot for all things NFT, blockchain, and Web3. Today, I'm going to tell you all about NFTs. What is an NFT really? Well, an NFT is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items, and videos. They are bought and sold online frequently with cryptocurrencies, and they're generally encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. So, if you're curious, stick around, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started on our adventure. Okay, NFTs have been around since 2014, but they are getting more and more popular every day because they're a new way to buy and sell artwork. Since November 2017, about $174 million has been spent on NFTs. NFTs are usually unique, or at least one of a very limited run, which is in contrast to most digital creations. That's what makes them special and valuable. NFTs can only have one owner at a time. NFTs' unique data makes it easy to verify their ownership and transfer tokens between owners. The owner or creator can also store specific information inside them. For example, artists can sign their artwork by including their signature in an NFT's metadata. Many NFTs, at least in early days, have been digital creations that already exist in some form elsewhere, like an image, a video clip, or a painting. Anyone can view them. So, why are people willing to spend millions on something that they could easily screenshot or download? Because an NFT allows the buyer to own the original item. Not only that, it contains built-in authentication, which serves as proof of ownership. Collectors value those digital bragging rights almost more than the item itself. So, if you enjoyed this friendly analysis and want to keep up with the latest in NFTs, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more.